Hello everyone, and welcome to my buddy, Mr. English. This is the first video of the 30-day English Shadowing Challenge. Shadowing means you listen to English and repeat along with or just after another speaker. You follow the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, and flow. It's easy, and it helps you speak more naturally. Each day, we'll practice a short script and a few useful words. It only takes a few minutes, but doing it every day will really improve your English. Let's begin. First, listen carefully, then repeat after me when I speak. I'll stop for a short moment after each line, so you have time to repeat. This morning, I was walking to the bus stop when I saw a small wallet lying on the ground. Now try shadowing me again. This morning, I was walking to the bus stop when I saw a small wallet lying on the ground. Let's check one useful expression from that sentence. Lying on the ground. It simply means someone is flat on the floor or on the earth, usually resting, relaxing, or sometimes after falling. We use it when we want to describe a person or even an object that is in a flat, horizontal position on a surface like grass, sand, pavement, or a floor. You'll hear it in everyday situations, stories, and descriptions. Now, let's shadow the next line. At first, I thought someone had just dropped it by accident, so I picked it up and looked inside. Now try shadowing me again. At first, I thought someone had just dropped it by accident, so I picked it up and looked inside. Now here's a key phrase you should remember. By accident. It means something happened without planning it or without meaning to. In simple words, it was not on purpose. We use it when we want to explain that a mistake or action happened unexpectedly. It's common in daily conversations, especially when talking about small mistakes like dropping something, hitting something, or sending a message to the wrong person. Let's move on to the next line. There was a little cash, some cards, and a photo of a family. I decided to wait for a few minutes, hoping the owner would come back. Now try shadowing me again. There was a little cash, some cards, and a photo of a family. I decided to wait for a few minutes, hoping the owner would come back. Now, let's break down the key vocabularies. Decided. It means you made a choice or chose what to do after thinking about something. In simple words, you chose an option. We use it whenever someone makes a clear choice. It could be deciding what to eat, where to go, or what action to take in a situation. You often hear it in stories and daily conversations when someone explains their next step. Owner. It means the person who something belongs to. In simple words, it's the person who has something or is in charge of it. We use it when we talk about who something belongs to, like a car, a house, a business, a pet, or even a lost wallet. You'll hear it a lot in daily life, especially when identifying who is responsible for something. Let's go to the next sentence. Sure enough, a man came running toward me, looking worried. He asked if I had seen a wallet, and I held it up with a smile. Now try shadowing me again. Sure enough, a man came running toward me, looking worried. He asked if I had seen a wallet, and I held it up with a smile. Now here's a key phrase you should remember. It means something happened exactly the way you expected. In simple words, it tells the listener that what you thought would happen did happen. We use it when we want to show that a prediction or guess turned out to be correct. It's very common in stories when you build a little suspense and then confirm the result. Let's continue with the next part. His face immediately relaxed, and he thanked me again and again. It felt good to help someone start their day a little better. Now try shadowing me again. His face immediately relaxed, and he thanked me again and again. It felt good to help someone start their day a little better. Now, let's focus on one phrase from that line. It means many times or repeatedly. In simple words, something keeps happening over and over. We use it when we want to describe an action or event that happens repeatedly, either because someone keeps doing it or because it naturally happens many times. You'll hear it in everyday conversations to show repetition. Great job! If you want to keep improving your English, join this 30-day shadowing challenge and practice with me every day. Stay consistent, keep showing up, and you'll see real progress. All right, see you in day 2.